May God have mercy upon my enemies, because I won't.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick.
Fucking bet against me. Bet against me. Tell me it's not gonna happen. Tell me it's gonna fail. I love it. I love every minute of it.
You should be a monster. If you fake bravery when you're terrified, that is bravery.
There's no hacks, bro. It's you against you. You against you. And if you misunderstand that, you have a real problem.
There's a verse in the Bible that says, as a man thinketh, so is he. So whatever you're thinking about, that's who you will become. Because thoughts lead to actions, actions lead to habits, habits lead to lifestyle. And that lifestyle is what dictates who you are, brother.
If you want to be great, you want to be the baddest motherfucker ever at what you do, you're going to be misunderstood by everybody. Because you're going to be so fucking obsessed and so driven to get there. That's what it takes.